Hi everybody, I'm Tassie with Tassie Eats, and today I'm eating Jimmy John. Now, Jimmy John, it's a sandwich chain that we have here in the Midwest. I don't know if they are found everywhere in the country, but one of my first sandwiches here, it's my favorite. It is the Turkey Tom. Traditionally in the Turkey Tom, there's like tomato, lettuce, and just turkey, and people like to put mayo on there. I don't like tomato, but I add sprouts in my sandwich. So I order it without the tomato and I just add sprouts. Sometimes I'll put cucumber slices in there. And today I actually added my favorite, ghost pepper chilies. I sprinkle on quite a bit. Now the second sandwich I've never had before. This is the Vito. And the Vito, it has like salami and provolone in there and hot Italian peppers. So and there's also an Italian vinaigrette in there and onions. And I've never tried it. So we'll see how that goes. But, if I like it, maybe I'll put in some ghost pepper chilies in there. But I'm probably not going to be able to finish both of them. But I'm going to try. So let's go ahead and try the Vito first, which I've never had. It's very oniony. So the Vito, I guess it's like an Italian sub kind of thing. But there's a lot of onion in here, and I'm tasting just a lot of the white onion. And there are actual pieces of white onion in here. And I keep trying to eat it to see if there's like something special that happens. It's really nothing special in my opinion. It has a very sour taste because of the vinegar. I probably would not get it again. So I'm gonna add ghost pepper in here because if I'm gonna eat something I don't really like, it might as well be spicy. Yeah, it's very oniony. There's a ton of onion in there. All right, my favorite, the Turkey Tom. And I know that the sprouts, they used to be standard as part of the sandwich, but like 10 years ago, someone got really sick because of the sprouts. So now they actually don't promote that they have the sprouts, but then they say that if you want it, you can ask for it, and then they'll put it on the sandwich. And then they always give you a warning that it's not safe to consume raw sprouts. Yep. Turkey Tom. There's a Club Lulu. Club Lulu is just like the Turkey Tom at Jimmy John's, but they add bacon in there, and it's like a bit more meat. I really like Turkey Tom. So I guess for Jimmy John's, when they first came out in the Twin Cities area, it was huge because people love their bread. Their bread, it's really good. But at Jimmy John's, they're known as being freaky fast for delivery. Sometimes they are. Sometimes they're not. I order it for work at lunch a lot. So sometimes they will seriously get to my workplace from downtown St. Paul. I work like across the river. And it'll take them about less than 10 minutes. Not like less than 5 or anything. Probably around like 8 to 10 minutes. And then they're there. Other times, if it's like a rush and everybody's ordering Jimmy John's in that area in downtown, it could take you almost an hour. Very oniony. Whew. Whew. I just don't understand why people like that. Well, I guess if you like onion, like raw onion. I feel like I gotta brush my teeth. So good. Because their bread is so good. Bread that's like a day old, they actually sell it for 50% off. So, where you can just go in there and buy bread. And they have pickles. They're also known for the pickles because you can have a whole pickle in your order. You can either leave it whole or they will cut it in halves or quarters for you. So I do like their pickles. I do order it every now and then. And they also promote mostly kettle chips there. And they have this huge Jimmy John's sandwich. I've never tried it before though. And I think once or twice a year, they do customer appreciation, where like their main subs, the 8-inch subs, they're $1 each. It's one per person, and it gets crazy. Tons of people go. And my friend, he's actually gluten-free, but he'll go and wait in line with me so I can get 2 sandwiches. This is just water. I really love the turkey tom. And you know, it seems like it's such a dinky sandwich compared to like Subway or something. But they're actually really, really good. You know, like especially the breading. It's like this French bread and it's kind of hard on the outside and it's soft in the center. It just tastes really good. Mm-hmm. I wonder if I can pick out the onions. This is just so oniony. Even the vinaigrette smells super oniony. Yeah, I think you have to like, I mean like, I like the Italian BMT at Subway, but this is like a very vinegary, like, I'm so sorry. I was just a bite of onion there. It's like mixed into the lettuce or something. Ugh. Don't get the peppers. They have these hot Italian peppers. They're not hot. They're just super sour. Like a really vinegary pickle that's not dill. It's not dill flavored. It's just very vinegary peppers. That makes it very, very tart. I'm gonna pick them out. Man, this sandwich is just striking out with me. Yeah, I would not do this one again. I had debate about getting the tuna one. Probably should have gotten the tuna one. Oh. edges because it's not as sour. Because the peppers were all sitting right here. So that part is really sour. This actually does not taste bad without the vinaigrette. Like the edges, they don't have the vinaigrette. It's actually pretty good. I should also probably mention, I don't like vinaigrettes. Like Italian salads. I don't like the vinaigrettes. Alright. I'm done with that sandwich. Thank you guys for watching this episode on Jimmy John's.